This series is a beginner's guide to finance and the stock market for a new investor that covers the fundamentals of finance, introduction to the stock market, personal budgeting, investment strategies, and an overview of relevant government policies. Let's look into the course structure designed to provide in-depth knowledge in these areas. It begins with Module 1, that is Introduction to Finance. This includes basic finance concepts, the importance of finance in personal and corporate settings, introduction to financial statements, balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. First example will be simple, like how a personal budget works as a financial statement of an individual. Second example will be understanding a company's balance sheet and its importance for investors. Before we move ahead, I want to assure you that this channel will be lean and precise in our endeavors. Moving on. Module 2 has the fundamentals of the stock market. This will give the overview of the stock market, types of financial markets such as National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, understanding stocks and shares, the concept of buying and selling in the stock market, and IPOs. We shall be comparing the stock market to a marketplace where goods, stocks, are bought and sold, also covering the process and significance of an initial public offering, IPO, for a company and investors. Next in Module 3, we have investment strategies. We shall discuss different types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, risk and return, diversification, basic portfolio management, introduction to technical and fundamental analysis. It will cover from saving in a piggy bank versus saving in a variety of containers to minimize the risk of losing money and building a diversified investment portfolio to manage risk while aiming for returns. Fourth one will be personal finance and budgeting. It will discuss the importance of budgeting, setting financial goals, emergency funds, savings accounts, debt management, and understanding credit scores. Be it planning a monthly household budget to manage expenses, savings, and investments, or the financial context as using the 50-30-20 rule for budgeting to balance needs, wants, and savings or investments, we got the entire spectrum. Finally, we shall discuss the government policies and their impact on investments. The overview of monetary policy, fiscal policy, taxation policies, understanding regulatory bodies such as RBI and CBI, impact of government policies on investments, and the economy using the example of how changes in school fees, taxation, affect a student's budget to the impact of RBI's monetary policy changes on stock market and interest rates. But all concepts, no practice will be no good. We encourage setting up a virtual stock trading account to practice trading with no financial risk. One I used to learn was TradingView. You should work on budget creation, investment plan drafting, and analysis of financial news. Don't worry, you will be able to do so by the end of 5th video of the series. Make sure to subscribe to never miss any episode. The blend of theory, practical examples, and hands-on activities ensures a well-rounded understanding of finance and stock market investing. Click here to begin.